Hi, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney based in Washington, D.C. I handle most types of immigration applications, nearly all types of immigration applications, including work visas. I know we just had that second round of H-1B applications selected, so we do help with employment-based cases. We help with family cases where you're sponsoring family members or getting sponsored by family members. Maybe you're getting married. We just talked to some folks that were interested in applying and getting married shortly, and we were helping them kind of figure out best ways to be together, risks involved with the different types of options. And last but not least, we work on humanitarian cases. So that could be VAWA, that could be U visas, T visas, asylum. So give us a call if you have any interest in working with our firm on these types of cases. But also, I'm here to give you guys an opportunity to kind of understand immigration, teach you a little bit about immigration, so you can get to know me, maybe get to know sort of how our firm kind of approaches different types of situations, different types of challenges. And feel free to ask me some questions. Of course, anything that I tell you here is just general immigration information. If you'd like to have a confidential consultation with us, feel free to reach out to our office. You can do that by calling 703-348-1663. Again, that's 703-348-1663. You can call our office. You can find us on our website at agarwalimmigration.com. You can also check us out on our Facebook page and schedule a consultation directly from there. Our Facebook page is Agarwal Immigration is the handle. Hey Mohit, nice to see you. Hope you're doing well. So I'm here to kind of provide some information about immigration. I know it can be very confusing, and hopefully when we have a consultation with many of you, I can clarify sort of the issues that may be presenting some challenges for you in kind of achieving your immigration goals. Okay, so I'm here to provide information. Go ahead and put your questions into the chat if you have any at all. Otherwise, I'm going to start talking about some common issues that pop up in our firm for our clients that I think might be helpful to you guys. Just as a heads up, we have we're streaming on multiple platforms here. We're streaming on TikTok, on Facebook, and on YouTube. I don't know what's going on with our Instagram, but right now just TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. If you know of others that might want to hop on and say hello, join us for this conversation, please share this post with them. And if you haven't already liked us or followed us on our social media platforms, make sure you do that as well so you can be notified when I go live. If you don't know me, again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I help clients with different types of immigration applications, no matter where in the U.S. they are located. We can help you. We are based in Washington, D.C. We have a team here in D.C., but also around the country and some outside of the country as well. We have many people supporting your case, and we hope that we can provide you the best service possible if you do decide to give us a call. Okay? All right. Here is a question that I often get that I think most of you will find helpful. Number one, is there a deadline to file a VAWA application? Do I have to file VAWA at a certain time? For example, I was married a really long time ago, maybe 10 years ago. I'm still married, but I don't live with my spouse. I haven't lived with my spouse for 10 years. Can I still file VAWA, right? That's an example. Yes. So if you're still married, even if you're not living with your spouse, you can still file VAWA if you otherwise qualify. To find out if you qualify, call our office. We'll go through your facts, we'll go through your marriage details, and I can let you know what the challenges might be in a VAWA application that you file, and all of the strengths of the application and the benefits of filing VAWA, which can include work permit, we can include travel authorization, ultimately a green card, which can lead to U.S. citizenship. So it's a huge benefit if you qualify. Give us a call if you're married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, even if you don't live with them, even if you haven't seen them in a really long time. If you're technically still married, there was abuse in the marriage, you might be eligible for VAWA. So give us a call, schedule a consultation with us. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Look forward to hearing from many of you. Again, if you don't know who I am, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I help clients with all types of immigration applications, no matter where in the U.S. they are located. Hope to hear from some of you guys soon. All right. Great. I hope that is helpful to you. I see some VAWA questions popping up here. Hey, NM, nice to see you. Mohit, hi again. Mohit says, my case shows that the case was transferred and a new office has jurisdiction. What does it mean? How long will it take for my work permit in a VAWA case pending a green card application? That's a great question. If your case is transferred, if you file for VAWA and your case is transferred, that is not uncommon. It's okay. Don't worry. No need to panic. Sometimes USCIS transfers cases just based on their caseload. They want to process your application as soon as possible. So just because it's transferred doesn't mean it's a problem. So just as a heads up, if your VAWA case was transferred, no fret, you're going to be okay. If we can help you with your VAWA case, give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Okay, second question that you have, how long does it take to get a work permit through VAWA? Again, for my folks that are not here on YouTube where Mohit is, how long does it take to get a work permit for a VAWA case? You will receive a work permit if you just filed VAWA alone. The VAWA has to be approved for you to qualify for a work permit if you filed it alone. Most of our clients, we are able to file VAWA along with a green card application at the same time. So it's VAWA and adjustment of status, work permit, and travel. We file all four things at the same time for clients that are eligible. If you file all four, you should expect to see the work permit between 6 to 8 months from the time that you apply. So around 8 months max from the time that you apply, you should expect to receive work authorization and travel authorization. So call us if we can help you. If you're otherwise eligible for a VAWA, we'd love to chat with you more. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. I think I answered that question, Mohit. If you have friends or family that are interested in immigration, please share this post with them. Please follow us and like us on our social media platforms. We're here on TikTok, on Facebook, and on YouTube right now. TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. If you are interested in talking to us about immigration, if you have immigration questions, especially if you're married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder and they're not filing your application, you may be eligible for something called VAWA. Reach out to us. We can talk you through it. We can figure out if you're eligible and walk you through the process for filing this kind of application, which can lead to work permit, social security number, green card, and of course, citizenship after a bit of being a green card holder. Okay. Hi, Sheikh Dame. Nice to see you. Thanks for joining us. What if you are financially abused? What are the ways to show that? That's a great question. So for most of our VAWA related abuse, it's essentially a statement from you. So our firm asks you questions. Your job is to answer truthfully with as much detail as possible. So if there's no police report, if there are no medical evaluations, what we do, and we have been successful with only a declaration, a statement from you that we help you draft. So we talk to you, we ask you questions, and you just answer truthfully with as much details as you can remember. And that is our main piece of evidence of all types of abuse for VAWA. Unless there's police reports or physical abuse, we will add that. But most of our cases are just statements which are very detailed, and they touch on all the different types of abuse that can be considered for a VAWA case. Give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. We help clients with all types of immigration applications. Feel free to reach out to us if you would like to have a confidential consultation. Please make sure to check out our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com, or our Facebook page. Agarwal Immigration is the handle. You can schedule yourself right now. You can see my availability and schedule your consultation right now. Or if you want to talk to someone at our office, we will be reopened again at 9 a.m. Eastern time. Again, that's 9 a.m. Eastern time. You can call my wonderful assistant, Kriza, and she will help you schedule a consultation. All right, but you can do that right now if you want to get ahead of folks that might be calling tomorrow morning. You can do that right now and schedule your consultation directly from our Facebook page or from our website, agarwalimmigration.com. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. Share this post with others. Invite your friends and family to join us here for this conversation to talk a little bit more about immigration. And if you don't already follow us or like us, make sure that you do on all our social media platforms. We're on YouTube, we're on Instagram, we're on Facebook right now. We're on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok right now. And we also have an Instagram page. It is not letting me stream live currently. So I would say follow us on multiple platforms, since sometimes they can be a little bit glitchy. Okay. It's Me Motivation says, hello, ma'am. Is there any interview for the VAWA case? That's a great question. Again, for my friends that are not on YouTube, is there any interview for a VAWA case? So if you just file VAWA alone, there is generally no interview. So when you file VAWA alone with the application and the supporting documents, there's no interview. You will find out usually in about 1.5 to 2 years whether or not you're approved. However, if you're eligible you should also file for a green card application, the adjustment of status application. So this would be VAWA and your adjustment of status application. Your VAWA will get approved at the same time frame, but you will hopefully be eligible for and receive your work authorization and your travel authorization in about 6 to 8 months after we apply for your VAWA and adjustment of status application. Okay, and for the adjustment of status application, there will be an interview, and that is usually just focused on, was your marriage real or was it just for immigration purposes, and some other information just about you. It will not get into the abuse with regard to VAWA. All right, I hope that is helpful to you. Feel free to give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Call our office. You can schedule a consultation right now if you would like on our Facebook page or on our website, agarwalimmigration.com. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. Feel free to call me. I would love to have a consultation with you and talk to you about your immigration situation and figure out whether you qualify for VAWA or another immigration benefit. Okay? Look forward to hearing from you. All right. Other questions here. If I apply for VAWA, do I have to leave the United States? So this is a common question. So what happens if my VAWA gets denied? If I apply for VAWA, do I have to leave the United States? So currently, if you apply for VAWA and get denied, nothing really happens. You might not have enough evidence, right? And then you can reapply with more evidence. But if you get denied, there's really not any kind of risk right now of removal. That could change if we have a different administration, but currently, unless you have some other trigger for removal, like a crime or a felony or something like that, I wouldn't worry about just applying for VAWA. If you think you qualify, if you would like to find out whether you qualify, schedule a consultation with us. We can talk to you about the strength of your case and the evidence that you might have and your situation that helps you qualify for VAWA, right? So people that qualify for VAWA are married to U.S. citizens or green card holders. They are abused in their marriage, all types of abuse, verbal, mental, psychological, financial, many more. All of these types of abuses are considered for VAWA, and you can qualify for VAWA, which would give you work permit and social security number, or you can also qualify for VAWA and a green card, which would give you work permit, social security number, ultimately a green card in about 3 years from the time you apply. Call us, see if you're eligible, take advantage of these benefits after everything you've been through already. Okay? Call us 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also check out our Facebook page or our website, schedule a consultation directly from there. That is agarwalimmigration.com, or our Facebook page is Agarwal Immigration. All right. All right. Oh, this is a good question. Can I file for VAWA if I've been abused and my abuser is not a green card holder or a U.S. citizen? Keep that in mind. Can I file for VAWA if my abuser is not a U.S. citizen or a green card holder? So you will not be eligible to file VAWA if the abuser is not a U.S. citizen or not a green card holder. holder, right? So they must be a US citizen, and they must be a green card holder in order for you to be eligible for VAWA. So that's one important part of it. But it does not mean that you're not otherwise eligible. You might be eligible for a U visa, which is for victims of crime, like if there's domestic violence. You might be eligible for that option, or you might be eligible for a trafficking visa if you otherwise qualify, if you've been forced to work, if there are other elements that have kept you here in the US and you've been forced to work by your spouse, right? So the abuse can take different forms, and you may be eligible for other types of relief if you're not eligible for VAWA because of your abuser status. So it's really important that you give us a call, that we can have a consultation and figure out what types of relief, what types of benefits will allow you to stay here in the US, what will allow you to get a work permit or travel. You might not even realize what you're eligible for, right? So that's one of the most important things, is to have a consultation, figure out how you can be helped, and let us help you with that process, or you take that information and you can do as you like with that. But at least you can figure out what options are available to you. Okay, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. You can have a consultation with our firm for $150. We charge $150 for about 30 minutes. We can go longer than that if needed. Give us a call. We handle lots of VAWA cases. We'd love to chat with you more about that or any other types of potential immigration benefits for you. Okay, you can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can go online to our Facebook page, Agarwal Immigration, or our website, agarwalimmigration.com, to schedule your consultation right now. If you'd like to receive notifications on when I go live again, I would highly, highly suggest follow us and like us on our social media platforms. We're on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube right now. Actually, sorry, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. And we all are also on Instagram. Our handle is the same everywhere. It's Agarwal Immigration. Hopefully I get to meet some of you over Zoom or by phone. And guess what? This is really exciting, guys. Our office is open now for in-person consultations, so we can also do in-person consultations. So really exciting. Hope to get to show off our new office to some of you guys. I'm still missing some artwork here. I will be working on that, but excuse me for taking my time getting that set up. We're just working on cases nonstop here. All right, great. Let's see. So I have some folks that are asking about Canadian citizenship. So number one, in terms of US citizenship and dual citizenship. So if you became a US citizen, the US doesn't care about you having citizenship elsewhere. So they just leave it to the other country. Are they going to recognize it, or are they not going to recognize it? So for the US, as long as you meet the qualifications for US citizenship, dual citizenship is not going to preclude you or be any kind of conflict. It just has to be valid in the other country where you're looking to have dual citizenship. Okay? So that's the US's perspective. Whether or not you can do it with Canada, I'm not sure, because we only practice U.S. immigration law. So we help people come to the U.S. We help people stay in the U.S. We help people get green cards and citizenship only in the U.S. So I can't speak to Canadian immigration law. But if you want to reach out to us about U.S. immigration, including citizenship, I'd love to chat with you more about that. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right. I think I answered all of these VAWA questions that I have here from you guys. Let's see. Lucky One says, can I transfer my I-130 date to the I-360 date when I get, and will I get a decision faster? No, actually. So the VAWA I-360 is a completely separate application. You can't unfortunately transfer your priority date, but as soon as you file, if you file with adjustment of status, for example, you can essentially secure your priority date. It's not so much faster, and especially if you're married to a U.S. citizen, the priority date is almost, not necessary. I know it takes a long time, but you'll get a prima facie determination, which is kind of like a pre-approval of your case. Usually within just a couple of months, you'll get work permit and travel as well if you apply for adjustment of status at the same time. But in terms of transferring priority dates, it's not something that's going to make or break your case. It's going to be way better if you even think you might qualify for VAWA. You don't want to rely on your spouse, I can guarantee you, for your I-130 application. So even if there's a chance you might qualify for VAWA, I would have a consultation, see if you qualify, because you don't want to rely on an abusive spouse to for you to receive your green card, or to kind of be beholden to them and their decisions and their whims on whether or not they're going to move forward with that green card application for you. Okay, call us if we can help. 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Can having American kids help you get citizenship? That's a great question. Can having American kids help you get citizenship? Yes, so your kids can sponsor you. In most cases, they can sponsor you for a green card if they are U.S. citizens and they're 21 years old. So if you have American kids, maybe you might not be able to receive a benefit right away, but once they're 21, they may be eligible to sponsor you for a green card. So yes, that's how having American kids can help you also get a green card and ultimately U.S. citizenship. One of the requirements I should note is you have to have a legal entry or otherwise qualify for a waiver. But most of the time, if your kids are sponsoring you, you should have a legal entry to be able to take advantage of that. Give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Can I expedite my VAWA case due to psychological reasons? Can I expedite my VAWA case due to psychological reasons? Just know that most people that are applying for VAWA have a pretty compelling story, right? So they are victims of abuse. They're suffering from depression and anxiety. So it's not uncommon in a VAWA case. So I think it would be hard to expedite. You can always request it, but I think it would be hard to expedite because most of the VAWA applicants have the same exact issues that you're facing as well. So be patient. You will get a pre-approval, a prima facie determination, usually within 2 or 3 months. And shortly after that, you'd be able to get work authorization and travel authorization. So you're allowed to be in the country, you're allowed to work in the country, you're allowed to have a social security number. You can even go in and out of the country if you have to, right? So you have lots of benefits. So there's no particular reason beyond that you would need to expedite your VAWA case. You can, be patient, prepare a strong case, prepare strong evidence, and all good things will happen. All right. Give us a call if you can reach us, if you'd like to reach us and have a consultation. 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney helping clients all throughout the United States in all types of immigration applications. Oops. 7 months since I filed, no prima facie or work permit yet. I can't help you there, my friend. Sometimes it is taking longer, but you might want to take a look at your application. Hi, Hidayat. Nice to see you. Hope you're doing well. All right, my friends, I'm going to head out for today. I know it's been a while since I've been on. I've just been super busy working on applications. Give us a call. If you'd like to schedule a consultation, you can reach us at 703-348-1663. We do our consultations by phone, by Zoom, or in person in our wonderful new office. I'd love to show it off to many of you here. And hopefully I will see you soon. If you don't already follow us and like us on our social media platforms, please make sure you do. Share this post with others if they would like to join us in this immigration conversation. I would love to meet them over our live streams here. And I will see you all very, very soon. Have a wonderful Monday evening, and I will check in with you again later this week. Hope everyone will join us again soon. Bye. Thank you for joining.